For instances where you require multiple accounts per currency, such as to separate funds for payroll payments from other cash holdings, Global Accounts provides a solution. First, log in to your TransferMate account and access Global Accounts from the drop-down menu. Scroll down through the page and click on the Add a Global Account with Bank Details button. A pop-up window will appear. Select the currency you wish to open a new account for. In this example, we've chosen Canadian dollars. Please ensure that you check the box to confirm acceptance of the terms and conditions, then click the Add button to open a new currency account. Congratulations! You have now opened another account in the same currency. The most recently added account will appear at the top of the list. You can repeat this process as many times as needed to easily segregate funds for various purposes. Once activated, you can fund your account by using the Top Up button. Convert currencies once there are funds, or move funds between same currency accounts, or book a payment and pay out from a global account balance. To help you distinguish between the accounts and their purposes, you can rename the accounts. Press the pencil icon beside the account you wish to rename, enter the new name of the account in the text field provided, and confirm the change with the Rename button. In this example, we've renamed our new account as Receivables to consolidate inbound Canadian dollar payments to a single account. It's important to note that when you share account details externally, these names will not appear, and they are for internal use only. To see the account details for your new account, press on Details beside the name of the account you wish to view. Here you will be able to view all of the account details, such as the currency it has been made for, the account number, bank code, and SWIFT code, and other relevant information needed to fund the account. When making payments to the account, please ensure to include TransferMate in the beneficiary name. Leaving it out may result in delayed payment. When sending details to a third party for payment, you can press the Copy Bank Details link at the bottom of the Account Details page to copy the details to your clipboard for pasting in an email. Or click on the Download Account Details link to download a PDF document which can be sent to a payer via email. And that's how you can open multiple accounts for the same currency within the TransferMate platform, making it easier than ever to manage your funds and segregate them as needed.